We're not surprised when in 2009 the company signaled its intention to list on the main market of the exchange, and in Barita's true style, you listed two securities. Since listing, your stock price has appreciated, and I notice most persons are listening to hear me say what percentage it is, and it is by over 3,000%. That's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. I congratulate the young, vibrant team at Barita, whose leadership ensures that the journey of success will continue. We thank you for continuing to cater to the ordinary investors and playing such a vital role through innovation to humanize investments and by extension the growth of the capital market.